Okay, we're gonna do another project, or try to. Got this old bicycle over here, and I'm going to try to make a scooter out of it. I drew something up on paint. Let's take a look. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. Here we go. Okay, we're getting it stripped down. There's the bike, and taking the wheels off, the tires off of the wheels, and blown the inner tubes up, and they're in good shape. So let's come over here. Get this focused in. I've got the tires, or the wheels primed. I wasn't gonna leave that pink on there, that's for sure. So I'll keep going with the updates. It's going a little slow right now. Check back later. Well, we've got the wheels over here. I've taken them off bike, and got the tires and tubes out and painted them black. I think that'll look pretty good with those white tires. And the white tires are there. I took the tubes out of them. Tubes are okay. Got to clean everything up. I'll show you kind of what else I've been doing. Disassembled the bike. Took the crank.
You can talk about what you'll do and
turn things around, because this is going to go in here and will be used for a brake on the back of this scooter. Have pretty well cut this frame up, and I'm going to use what I want. This will tilt down from the tires, and it will tilt down like that to go straight over, parallel with the ground. Took the front forks off, and I'm going to have to lengthen the tube for the handlebars, which I'm going to use gas pipe. It's the same diameter, and it will work really good. We'll continue this when I make a little more progress. See you later.
That was not a good night. You're listening to
Okay, I've set up a jig on a kind of a homemade table here. This is going to be the scooter, and the 2x4 down here at the bottom is kind of where the this black 1-inch square tubing is going to go. It's going to connect right there where the crank assembly goes, and over here. And I've got this wire, it's a coat hanger, coming up, and I'm trying to determine the angle and where I need to make the bends and welds for it to clear the front wheel. I did the wheels and tires, cleaned them up. They look pretty good, and I'm in the process of taking all this paint off. Got quite a ways to go, but I've got other projects going at the same time, so I'll continue this as I go. Okay.
That's what a lot of people wanted to do last night on Benghazi. They wanted to stand up and cheer. We're talking about 4 dead Americans here.
Okay, we've kind of got this set up, and I'm going to make first weld on it. This will be part of the base for the scooter. And let's see if we can tack this up. Okay, I think we got it. I won't bore you with any more welding. Just thought I'd show you that.
Almost like they didn't want to deploy, almost like they didn't want to.
Now we'll do a little more welding. Okay, well, that's kind of what it looks like. We're getting there. We just got some weld. Some of these are tacked. Some of them are welded in there. I'm going to put some more bracing up there. There at that corner, and that one down there, and another brace down here. And see what happens. Okay, we're getting ready to do some welding on this frame, and right here mainly. And I cut out some patches for some gussets that I'm going to make. These go here, and I've marked them out over here on a steel. So I'm going to cut those and then we'll start welding. Okay, here's an update on these gussets I'm putting in. I've got to finish welding. And so, as you can see, I've still got some welding to do. Looks like I'm gonna have to put some Bondo on it too to smooth it out, but we'll get this done and then get it primered with some self-etching primer. Okay, well, I don't know what happened to the previous videos I made of this project. This is gonna be a scooter using those bicycle wheels. And I showed it at the beginning to what I started with, but somehow it got lost. I've just now applied some Bondo on the joints and on the welds, try to smooth it up a little. I welded these gussets in the bottom right there and up at the top for added strength. We'll see what happens. The next part's just sanding and what have you. I put self-etching primer on the whole thing because it was bare metal. I'll sand it and we'll see if the video comes out.